Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to the Goldmin token ecosystem. I hope all of you are doing great and enjoying your free mining journey with Goldmin token. Today's video is going to be very special and exciting. Please don't skip this video because today we have a brand new secret reward code for you. But this time, we've made our reward system even more interesting. Today's secret reward code has been divided into 5 different parts. Each part will be revealed in a different section of this video. Only those who watch the entire video will be able to collect the complete reward code. So make sure you stay with us until the very end. First of all, we would like to sincerely thank every member of the Goldmin token community. Because of your amazing support, our ecosystem is growing every single day. New users are joining our website daily. More people are starting free mining every day. And the best part is that our community is growing organically. Users are inviting their friends and helping Goldmin token reach more people. This is a huge achievement for us. Our goal is not just to build a website. Our mission is to create a complete digital ecosystem that everyone can mine for free, build a strong team, earn rewards, and use GMTK tokens in the future. In today's video, we'll also share several important updates. We'll talk about our official wallet. We'll give you an update on the Android application. We'll discuss the Google Play Store launch. We'll explain our white paper. We'll share our future roadmap. And before the end of this video, you'll receive the complete secret reward code. So make sure you watch until the very end. Now let's reveal the first part of today's secret reward code. Yes, the first part of today's secret reward code is... But remember, this is not the complete code. The remaining parts will be revealed in different sections of this video. Now let's talk about our free mining system. Many new users join our platform every day, and the first question they ask is, how does Goldmin token mining work? Here's the answer. Goldmin token is a completely free mining platform. You don't need to make any investment to start mining. Simply create your account, log in every day, activate your mining button, and keep collecting GMTK tokens. Our goal is to give everyone an equal opportunity. Whether you're a student, an employee, a business owner, or someone from anywhere in the world, everyone can become part of our free mining community. That's why we're building Goldmin token as a community-driven project. And now let's talk about the referral bonus. If you like Goldmin token, share your referral link with your friends and family. When new users join through your referral link and remain active miners, your team will automatically begin to grow. And as your team grows, your GMTK bonus will continue to increase. This system has been designed to help our community grow while rewarding active users with additional benefits. However, there's one important thing to remember. Please don't create fake accounts. Our system rewards only genuine and active users. Now, let's talk about our official website. If you haven't visited the Goldmin token website yet, be sure to check it out. There you'll find your mining dashboard, the referral section, the rewards section, the announcements section, and all future updates will be published there first. That's why it's very important to visit our website regularly. The video is about to get even more exciting. In part 2, we'll reveal the next part of the secret reward code and share an important wallet update. So keep watching and don't go anywhere. Welcome back, friends. If you're still watching this video, first of all, a huge thank you. It shows that you're not just here for the rewards, but you're also interested in the future of Goldmin token. Now it's time for the second part of today's secret reward code. Yes, the second part of today's secret reward code is 6GM. Make sure to write it down, but remember, the code is still not complete. You'll receive the remaining parts later in this video. Now let's talk about our official wallet. Many users ask us the same questions every day. When will the wallet launch? When will the GMTK price be announced? When will token buying and selling begin? Friends, our wallet is one of the most important parts of our roadmap. Our development working on it continuously. Once the wallet is completed, you'll be able to securely store your GMTK tokens. In the future, you'll also be able to buy and sell GMTK directly through this wallet. Our goal is not just to create a token. We want to build a complete ecosystem, one that includes mining, a secure wallet, a reward system, and many more exciting features in the future. Now, let's talk about the white paper. Many users hear the term white paper, but don't really know what it means. In simple words, a white paper is the official document of any project. It explains the project's vision, its mission, the roadmap, future plans, token utility, and complete information for the community. Our team is continuously updating the Goldmin token white paper. As new features are added, the white paper will also be updated. So make sure to visit our official website regularly to stay informed. Now let's discuss the Android application. We know that many users are eagerly waiting for our app to appear on the Google Play Store. We also want to launch it as soon as possible. The development process is moving forward quickly. As soon as testing is completed and all Google requirements are fulfilled, we will officially publish the Android app on the Play Store. After that, just like on the website, you'll be able to mine daily, check your referral bonuses, claim rewards, and receive all official updates directly inside the app. This is a very important milestone in our roadmap. But the video isn't over yet. There are still 3 more parts of today's secret reward code waiting for you. And in the next section, we'll talk about team bonuses, future games, community growth, and many more exciting updates. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Continue in part 10. Welcome back, friends. If you're still watching this video, first of all, congratulations. That means you're an active member of the Goldmin token community. And that's exactly why we always try to make sure our most active users receive the maximum rewards. Now it's time to reveal the third part of today's secret reward code. Secret reward code part 3. TK. Make sure to write it down. But remember, there are still 2 more parts left. Now, let's talk about the team bonus. If you help grow the Goldmin token community by sharing your referral link, your team will continue to grow automatically. The more active members you have on your team, the more GMTK bonus you can earn. Our priority is not just members. Our real goal is to build a strong and active community. That's why our reward system is designed to support genuine and active users. Now, let's talk about our future roadmap. Our project is not limited to free mining. We have many exciting features planned for the future. We will launch our official wallet. Our Android application will be released. The app will become available on the Google Play Store. Our white paper will continue to be updated. We'll organize community events. We'll launch special reward campaigns. And one of the most exciting features, the official Goldmin token game. Yes, in the future, you'll be able to play games and earn GMTK tokens. Our goal is not just to create an earning platform. We want to build an entertaining, engaging, and community-driven ecosystem. Now, let's talk about our social media. If you're not already following our official Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp channel, YouTube, and our other social media platforms, be sure to follow them today, because all important updates are published there first. Secret reward codes are also announced there, and all future announcements will be shared through our official channels. That's why staying connected with us is very important. One more important reminder. Today's reward code is available for a limited time only. Only users who claim the code before it expires will be able to receive the reward. So, keep watching until the very end. There are still 2 secret reward code parts left. And the video is about to get even more exciting. Continue watching. Welcome back, friends. If you've made it this far, first of all, we sincerely thank you for watching the video until this point. Your support means a lot to us. Because of your support, the Goldmin token ecosystem continues to grow every single day. Now it's time to reveal today's 4th secret reward code part. Secret reward code, part 4. Make sure to write it down. Now, only one final part remains. Before revealing the complete reward code, we'd like to talk once again about the future of Goldmin Token. Our mission is not just to launch a token. Our goal is to build a trusted and complete digital ecosystem, a place where everyone can mine for free, earn rewards through referrals, use a secure wallet, buy and sell GMTK in the future, and help grow the project together with the community. Our development team is working every day to improve the platform. With every update, we're making the system even better. Your suggestions are very important to us. Be sure to share your ideas in the comments and let us know which feature you'd like to see in the future. Our development team carefully reviews genuine suggestions and always tries to include the best ideas in our future roadmap. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to reveal the final part of today's secret reward code. Secret reward code part 5. Now combine all 5 parts to get today's complete reward code. Free GMTK 100 bonus token. Enter this complete code in the reward section and claim your reward. But remember, this reward code is valid for only 4 days. After that, it will expire automatically. So don't wait too long, claim your reward as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. Tell us in the comments which country you're watching from and which upcoming Goldmin token feature you're most excited about. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to follow all of our official social media channels. Every new update, every new reward code, and every important announcement will always be shared on our official channels first. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next Goldmin token update video. Stay safe, keep mining, and keep growing with Goldmin token. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.